My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me, I think over this side. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, let me just set this up real quick. I got Classic in the other room, but I don't want to bother him. It's summer break, and I don't want to like make this about me. There we go. All right, there we go. That's good. All right, so just got back in the house. It's so hot outside right now, and I am struggling because I have, unfortunately, you can't really see it, but right here, I got injured in my football game last Sunday. I partially, not all the way, but I partially tore my MCL and ACL, so I am pretty much done for the season, which sucks because not only am I in football season, only week 3, but I'm also like in week 7 of my basketball season that plays on the same day. Time for me to take a little step back because I am up there in age. So, but what I was just talking to my homeboy about was, hey, listen, man, I have no regrets. And what I mean by that is, I won a lot on a lot of different levels. I had the opportunity to play with a lot of great players. I got to play in Mexico. So many good memories. And most importantly, once upon a time, I was able to say I was that guy. You feel me? Like I'm more of a role player now, but still the vocal leader on my team. But if I was like play on the court, I'm more of a role player. But I could say once upon a time, I was that guy. I was top 1, top 2 on any team I was on. So, I mean, some people don't get, I got a good 18-year run with this thing called basketball. Some people only get 4 years. So, I'm happy about that. But anyway, just want to give you a little update on me. Y'all can leave in the comments below well wishes. I do not have to get surgery. I mean, I could get surgery if I want, but since I only partially tore, I could just rehab it, and over time, I think like over 6, I think they said 6 to 9 months, I'll be back. If I got surgery, of course it would be quicker, but I don't want no Buddha. I don't want the little cast, nothing on my leg and nothing like that. So anyway, enough talking. Just came back from the mall, one of the good malls out here in California, Fox Hill Mall, aka Clover City Mall. Shout out to my boy Eric. He was able to look out for me for this pair. I don't even know the name of this shoe. Matter of fact, let me just pull up the name for this shoe. I'm talking about the actual. I know the silhouette and everything, of course, but I don't know the actual name of this shoe. Hold on, one second. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. That was pretty easy name. But anyway, yeah, shout out to Eric because this shoe actually didn't come to a lot of different locations, so I was able to secure my pad through him. So again, shout out to him. So let's get straight to it. Also, shout out to Foot Locker. Right on top, you see is a white box with the gold Jumpman emblem in the middle, so you know it's a woman's shoe, women's exclusive. Box reads Women Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. The color is white legend pink. Size 10 women's, which is equivalent of a, why I say 8.5 youth. It's still good. It's an 8. I just never noticed that it said 8.5 youth, but it's 8.5 men's. Yeah, European 42, so that is my size. Suggested retail price was $190. So, like I said, my personal pair, my size, you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, let's get straight to it. White paper, white tissue paper, 23s all on, nothing special. And without further ado, ooh, these look way better in person too. Jesus Christ. Put that right there. We got the Air, what is that called? Yeah, we got the women's Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Pink. Boom. Okay, like I said, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Pink. 11s don't really go to 11 lows. Excuse me, don't really go. It's not that popular. The Space Jam 11 lows just dropped maybe a couple weeks back. They still sitting. I do remember. I think the bread 11 lows when they came out, they were still sitting. No, I think they sold out because any bread colorway is going to sell out. The IEs are still 11 low IEs are still sitting. Yeah, but you know me, I love pink. I like this color pink. This is more of like an Easter light pink. I like that. I do have some other 11 lows that is also pink. Ugh, it's so hard for me to get up. And that's these right here. These bad boys right here. So this pink is, as you can see, is a different pink off top right there. Not the same pink. This is more of a lighter pink. Like I said, this is more like an Easter type pink right there. So, but definitely like these. I remember seeing them and I was like, yo, I gotta get these. Sorry, I'm moving around like an old man because it is tough for me to move around. Well, I did learn one thing. So I was wearing this knee brace for like 2 days. And yesterday I took off my knee brace. I didn't wear it 2 days straight. I'm just saying, like, for 2 straight consecutive days I was wearing my knee brace. So yesterday I know I took off my knee brace and my leg was killing me all night. Like, it was just killing me. And I was like, let me try the day without my knee brace. And I did not wear it. And it hurts a little bit, but not nowhere near it did yesterday. So I think I'm going to just go forward without wearing my knee brace like that. So anyway, give y'all some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It'll be right next to me so you can read along with me. Hold on, let me pull it up real quick. 3, 2, 1. Should be up right now. It says, close this ad. The Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Pink releases on June the 1st via sneakers and selected retail. June the 1st. Oh, this is definitely, it's not June 1st. I know that. This is late. I think it got pushed back if I'm not mistaken. Landed in women's, grade school, and toddler sizes. While the Air Jordan 11 proper rules the holiday season year in, year out, this drop continues the summertime takeover for its shorter sibling, providing a ton of warm weather accessibility in its latest rosy execution. Hit our where to buy selection and head the full list. Okay, that was not a lot of information at all. Oh, here we go. The shorter construction of the Jordan 11 Low has made it a model prone to pastel women's exclusive executions. To that point, the Legend Pink slides into a lineage of similar releases highlighted by pairs like the Rose Gold in 2018 and Pink Snakeskin Retro in 2019. That's why I just showed y'all the Pink Snakeskin. The original 2001 release of the lattermost pair was one of 4 debut colorways for the 11 Low. So though a Legend Pink is in a modern formation, it's steeped in Jordan brand history all the same. Zooming out and jumping back to 2024, the expected success of this release will continue a series of similar releases succeeding the Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jam. According to the 11 Low Diffuse Blue. That's the Diffuse Blue, or yeah, I think I said it right. That drops, I think, like, yeah, and it says land in August. It's like a bluish grayish colors. I mean, if I have it, if it's available to me, I'm gonna get it, but I'm not gonna, like, today I had to drive 40 minutes to go get this because that mall I told you about, Fox Hill Mall, aka Clover City Mall, is nowhere near me. And I went during morning time on a Saturday, which is traffic. So it took about 40-45 minutes for me to get there. If I gotta drive 40-45 minutes to get the diffuse blue, I'm just gonna let them sit, but like that. But for some reason, these didn't hit a lot of retailers around my area, and there's a lot of Foot Lockers, Champs in my area. Granted, I did not do the legwork, so maybe they did go to the other malls around me, Glendale and Sherman Oaks and stuff like that, Topanga, Northridge. Maybe they go there. I don't know. All I know is I went to where I know I was going to be guaranteed to get my pair. So, I think that's all for that. To look forward to the variety till the end. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's some more images for y'all. If y'all can see that. I'm going to show y'all the shoot anyway. Yep, that's it. All right. Close that out. All right. Women's Air Jordan 11 Low Legend Pink. You see that upper shiny gloss right there going up to the top. That white midsole. I like the bottom. You know, that pink. Usually, like on that snakeskin pink, it was like a milky. This is that pinkish color. On the outer sole, white paws right there, Jordan in the center, carbon fiber on the side. Got the pink Jumpman on the back of the heel, 23 right there at the top of the heel. White insides, white guts is what I like to sell. Oh, got the pink, got that Easter pink. Sole does come with extra laces, which is weird because there's white laces in this, but it's white laces right there. I think because these are like rope laces and these are like the regular laces, I guess. I mean, they should have put some light Easter pink laces with this. Some people might think that's too much. I thought it probably would have been perfect. But I mean, all in all, I mean, it's a good shoe. Not too much special about it. I mean, I do think they're gonna sit though. I think that if you walk into your retailers tomorrow or Monday, even possibly Tuesday, you're gonna be able to get your pairs. So if you put in legwork, first of all, shoes are just sitting. That's not what they used to be. Shoes are sitting. So if you put in your legwork, you should be able to get your shoes. So y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a cop or drop for y'all. Obviously it was a cop for me. Easter shoe. I really think this is an Easter shoe. Summertime shoe too. Summertime, spring, like that. This is that hot with some shorts, you know, some low socks. This is a good vibe. It's a good vibe. But yeah, man, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sticker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.